Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Edwin, aka Curl Daddy, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to take all of this hair into a completely different look. A look that you can rock with a turtleneck, a t-shirt, you can throw and layer it with a denim jacket or a leather jacket, and definitely rock it. And some of you guys might be saying, oh, I can't really rock that look, but if you see the vision and you feel it within you, you can definitely rock this look. But before I demonstrate, make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel and make sure that you hit that like button. Give Curl Daddy some love. Take care and enjoy. So there you go, guys, is the men bun. It's a look that you can rock anywhere, but you have to make sure that you have the confidence to wear it. You can't just be like, oh, I'm gonna wear it and be unsure about it. If you're gonna do it, do it. The only thing is that your hair has to be a certain length to be able to get the hair to go up like that. I was not able to do that before, but now I can. So your hair does have to be a certain length, and make sure that if you do decide to try to execute this look, make sure that it doesn't look perfect. It's not supposed to look perfect because it's just a bun. It's supposed to be a little messy. So hope you guys enjoy it. Be safe, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and like the video. Give Curl Daddy some love. Be safe.